A strong magnitude 4.8 earthquake hit 15.4 kilometers, 10 miles, away from Shahrud, Semnan province, Iran, in the morning of Friday, July 18, 2025 at 8:16 a.m. local time, GMT plus 3:30. The quake had a shallow depth of 35 kilometers, 22 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, GFZ after 6 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.